Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox and review this MI Box S, and after that we need to set up it with my Samsung TV, and finally I will remove the box from this TV and install it with another TV brand, and let's see how it works. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, inside, first of all, we will see this MI TV box. It have the one output HDMI audio, and this audio connection, one USB port, and this one is the power supply port. And we have the menu instruction. We have the charger cable, one HDMI cable, and the remote control. Okay, and that's it. So here is everything inside the box. We have the charger cable, TV box, remote control, HDMI cable, and three of the user manual. And this one is different from the Xiaomi TV stick. It has this kind of the power supply, and it's a connect direct to the adapter, so we cannot use the TV USB for the power supply. This one require a power socket to set up it. And let's check out for the remote control. Inside there's no battery, so please make sure that you need to buy external battery for this remote control, and HDMI cable. Here we have the Xiaomi logo on the HDMI. Okay, and now let's set up it with my Samsung TV. Okay, and this is how we install the TV box. First of all, you need to input the HDMI cable to the HDMI port and power supply to the adapter here. So you need to have the socket like this and connect it. Here we have the power supply if on the right side next to the USB port, and don't confuse to input it to the audio port. And if you input it to the audio port, it also cannot connect, so we can just plug to the power supply. And don't forget to buy a pair of the battery to input to the TV remote. If you forget the battery, so you cannot use it. And now we try to turn on the TV. Okay, now we change the TV display to the HDMI port, and you will see the MI logo pop up on the screen and waiting it to loading to the home page. Hi. Okay, now it required to input the battery, and now we need to follow it instruction. Okay, press the middle of your remote control. and now it's connect to your MI TV box. After that, you can just select your language. English Unite, and there's many language. I will go all the way down until it's in with the Chinese. We also have the Thai language. So I just select the first one is the English United States and select OK by pressing the middle button. Okay, now select your country region. United States. Quickly set up your TV with Android phone. Okay, you can skip or continue. We just continue. Okay, this time I try to typing on the Google, so it doesn't show up the device connection. All you need to do, first of all, I need to show you. First of all, you need to go to the Google on your built-in app, and then do not typing. Just select this voice remote, and then say on the line on its it. And then say the words OK Google, set up my device. Okay, now let's try. When we press it, OK Google, set up my device. Okay, and then you just press next. And now it's trying to connect with the TV. Verify code on your phone. Okay, so it's the same. TUEL2, and this one is TUEL2, and we just press next once more time. Okay, now we need to set up on the phone, so we just connect to our home Wi-Fi network, and just press copy. That means you copy the password of your Wi-Fi to the TV and scan your fingerprint on your mobile phone. After that, select your Gmail that you log in your smartphone. Okay, now it's copy your account information to the TV. You just need to press the fingerprint once more time. And now it's connect to the Wi-Fi. So set up it with your mobile phone. It's faster than you just press one by one on your remote control. Okay, now we have to sit and wait. And now success. On the phone, we can just close the app, and we now work on the TV. We need to accept the term of service with Google. Location, yes. Improve Android, yes. Google Assistant, continue. Choosing you should know, continue. Personal result. Okay, if you want it to get your personal result, in the TV you can just turn it on or no saying, so I prefer no saying because I'm not much using it with the TV. Sometimes another person can access to my email and another personal information, so I just select no saying. And for you, you can just select turn it on. You can read more detail on this note, so I select no saying. Install additional app. So here is the some app that I used to install with my Android TV, and now it suggests to install those app once again, so I don't want to take time on it, so we just select continue, and if we want to install, just do it in the next time. So it just walk you through. Press the right button, another one, and that's it. Just once more, we need to agree the term and condition of the Xiaomi. Agree. Update Android system. Okay, and that's it. Now we already inside the home page of the TV box, and now let's try to play a YouTube app for the first time testing. Continue with your Gmail. Just play one video. This video. Okay, it's workable. And I need to check its resolution. Device preference. Display. So this time we can just make it to 1080p 60 frames per second, because my TV just okay, because this Samsung TV the maximum display is the 1080p, so we cannot use it more than 1080p, as it's shown on the box. It's the 4K display, so if we have the 4K monitor, I think the display will upgrade to 4K. Okay, and now let's finish it, and we need to install it to another TV. So I don't take out the power supply, we just take out the HDMI from the TV, and let's see to another TV. Okay, now I bring the new TV, but the difficult thing is the HDMI of this Sony TV, it connect from this side, so I need to move everything from the right to the left hand. And now I just turn off the Samsung TV, and the iTV still plug in. Okay, now I plug the HDMI to the Sony TV, and now let's turn it on. And then make change the display to HDMI. And it still show the same. I will explain. So the every TV box, it just use the TV display. It just use the TV display from the HDMI. So no matter what brand of your TV, or your TV is the smart TV, non-smart TV, or any kind of the TV, it just only need the HDMI port that can receive the HDMI output from its TV box. Okay, and that's it. And finally, if you want to turn off your TV, don't forget to turn off your TV box first by just pressing this turn off logo. So just press on it, and then your TV box is turning off, and you will see your TV display nothing to the it shows the HDMI ports number, and then you can now turn off your TV with your TV remote. And that is all for today's video of the unboxing and first time setup with your MI TV Box S. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.